Welcome to your channel. In today's video we will learn how to open our Hewlett Packard or HP Prodesk 6000G1. We know it can be a bit challenging, but with the right steps we can do it. Locate the security group on your HP. It may be a little tight, so you will need a script drive, either a Phillips or featherhead one. Choose the one that feels more comfortable to you and be careful not to damage the equipment. Careful, loosen the security screw. It may require some force since it could be tight. Make sure to turn the screwdriver in the correct direction to loosen it. Once the screw is loose, flip your HP so that the bottom side is facing up. This will allow you to access the cover and open the equipment. Press your fingers on the bottom of the HP and apply upward pressure. You may encounter resistance due to addition or did accumulation. If necessary, make gentle and firm movements until the cover loosens. Once the cover is loose, carefully lift it and remove it. You will see the interior of your HP exposed and ready for any maintenance or upgrades you want to perform. And there you have it. That's how to open an HP Hewlett Packard or HP Prodesk 600G1. Remember to be careful during the process and consider the mentioned recommendation. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel for more technology related content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.